Hi everyone, welcome to Dadrian Green's Kids Learning Channel. Let's learn. Today we will learn how to use the word is. Can you spell the word is? Correct! We use the word is when we are talking about one person, place, animal, or thing. One car is. One car is. One man is. One man is. One school is. One school is. One dog is. One dog is. Can you use is to make a sentence with each picture? Can we say two babies is? Or should we say one baby is? Correct. One baby is. Can we say three birds is? Or should we say one bird is? Correct! One bird is. Can we say four stars is? Or should we say one star is? Correct! One star is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.